27.
तो सिर्फ द्वार के निकट ही फुलाएं। इसे फुलाने के लिए इस लाल डोर demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. Your safety is our utmost concern, and as the safety features may differ from other aircrafts, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling the strap. To open, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above you, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life jacket is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate your life jacket. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life jacket has an open tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 main doors in the rear of the aircraft, 4 over the wings, and 2 main doors in the forward of the aircraft. At this time, please note the emergency exit closest to you. Remember the closest exit path to the nearest exit. A copy of this safety information card is pasted.